If you're looking to breeze through immigration and customs faster when arriving in the US, this video will show you exactly how, with the help of visuals that bring each step to life. First, we'll see clear airport signage directing travelers to fast-track lanes like Global Entry or Express Lane, the key to avoiding long lines. Next, a glimpse inside an airplane cabin where a well-prepared traveler organizes their passport, customs form, and boarding pass before landing. Then we'll walk through a typical immigration checkpoint, where an officer asks standard questions like, "What's the purpose of your visit?" All shown in a calm and professional tone. After that, we'll introduce digital kiosks and mobile apps like Mobile Passport that make processing even faster. And finally, we'll explain the difference between the green and red customs lanes, helping you know exactly where to go depending on what you're carrying. These illustrated tips will make your arrival smoother, quicker, and stress-free. Let's get started.